I really miss here is Tylenol.
Hey! Reach, blacksmith!
Yes, sir. That poor fella last night had the worst case of broken heart I have ever seen. When he said he didn't know how he could live the rest of his life, knowing how much hurt he'd caused that little girl, well, I really felt for him. I did, right here.
Listen up, Eastwood. I aim to shoot somebody today, and I'd prefer it be you. But if you're just too damn yellow, I guess it'll just have to be a blacksmith friend. Forget about me, Marty, and save yourself! You got 1 minute to decide. You hear me, Ron? 1 minute!
I've never seen a man so broken up over a woman. What did you say her name was? Clara? Sarah?
Clara.
Clara.
Excuse me,
Ma'am?
but was this man tall with great big brown puppy dog eyes and long silvery flowing hair?
You know him.
Hammond.